Billy. Evan, is that what it looks like?
Korean words with Mr. Yang. Don't drop that dun-dun.
Hey, let me get a pizza with African American cheese.
We don't have that type of cheese.
Hey, what are you, a racist? What do you mean you don't have...
Hey, watch it, lady.
No, you watch it. I have a sticker.
Live, this is One for the Record. I'm Diana, and today is December 8th, 2014. Here are your news updates for today. The Watchers watching the world. Very strong, shallow M6.6 earthquake off the coast of Panama. Also, Fogo eruption intensifies. Lava flow destroys Portela, reaches Banguera. Also, yesterday, significant eruptions of Mount Erebus reported in Antarctica. Alrighty then, moving on. The internet's a little bit slow tonight. Breaking news, breakingnews.com. 13 minutes ago, northbound lanes of Interstate 680 reopened in San Jose, California, after 6-hour closure due to police activity. Southbound lanes to remain closed. That's coming out of CHP Golden Gate. Also, 23 minutes ago, protesters returned to block Interstate 80 in Berkeley, California, after being cleared by police coming out of NBC Bay Area. So heads up if you're taking the freeways. Also, E&E News, Energy News, Japan, Fukushima. Deadly radioactive material up around 50 million % at Fukushima plant in recent months. Strontium-90 spikes to record level near ocean outside reactor number 2. Wow. Also, on December 5th, Japan government funded report mocks fuel particles found over 100 kilometers from Fukushima. Plutonium-239 levels significantly enhanced after Reactor 3 explosion. Nuclear fuel material transported in atmosphere across long distances. Alrighty then, heads up. 50 million %. Wow. Also, let's look somewhere else. It is 1 day down, 4 to go before the weekend. Please be safe. The weather is getting cold. No barbecues inside. And I'll see you again on the flip side tomorrow. Alrighty then. Be safe.
Oh my God! Yes!
Seriously? Screw it! Oh, shit.